Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I have a video that my son did mostly by himself when he pulled the diff out of his 85 Supra. I just had it sitting around and I wanted to upload it. I didn't want to waste the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video for anyone that needs it. Alright, peace.
Got it on the diff. Jack this thing up. I originally tried to do it by the rear tow hook, but I couldn't get both jacks under the rockers. So this is the way to get this as high as possible when you're slammed on 14s. All right, there we go. I'm just gonna keep this where I could save it if it went to fall on. All right, level, all level on that side. And hey, the pinch welds pretty good still. All right, now I can get under it and see how to get this diff out of here. So I'm gonna have to get the axles, which is 4 bolts. It looked like they're about 14 maybe. And then the drive shaft unbolts with either the same size or smaller. So once I get the axles off, then it's just the drive shaft, and then it mounts with 2 bolts. I guess you'd call this a subframe right here. Alright, so it is in fact a 14, and I just noticed something when moving this. I don't think this is a good thing. If you see, this right here is moving, it's wobbling. So safe to say this diff is pretty garbage, because if you can tell there, that's wobbling around as it spins and stuff. So that doesn't look great. So definitely good this is getting taken out of here. All right, so that this thing drops a few pounds, I'm gonna drain the fluid first. And also, so I don't have to struggle to pop the drain plug out while it's on the ground. All right, let's see how stuck in here this sucker is. I don't like those jack sounds. All right, let's see. All right, this is not a one-hand job, so I'm gonna break it loose. Off camera. All right, that was amazingly easy. So easy, I kind of thought I stripped it. So let's see how bad this looks. All right, let's take this out so we do not have a very big problem. I'm not excited to smell this stuff, but I am very excited to see it because I know it's gonna look like crap. I'm sure. All right, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay. Not too bad. But I do in fact see some little shavings in there, as I expected. Doesn't smell too bad though, actually. Ooh. Check out the drain plug. That's cruddy. Alright, here's the chunk that came out. Let's make show a little better. Yeah, that's metal. And then there's plenty of built up shavings all in this. Alright, here's a close up on the shavings in here. See those glistening. Oh yeah. Oh, another thing is, as you can see, this car is very high up. So that was not what's sitting in the bottom of the fluid. So this thing's gonna look very bad inside, which I'm pretty excited to see. So we'll get into that after I get it out. All right, so the easy way to get these off is this. Right here. That pops them right off. Right off of there. All right, the drive shaft bolts are a 12 millimeter. All right, all you got to do once you get the bolts out is just slide the drive shaft. Slide. It has a little bit of play in it, so it'll let you just back it off of the diff. All right, for this side, it's a 19, and then the bolt on the back is a 14. All right, so you're gonna want to put a jack under the diff, because once you take these two bolts out, it will try to fall on you if you don't have that there. Still be careful though, even with this here, because it's probably only gonna hold it so well. All right, after you get the two up there, or whatever order you choose to do it, these are the others. So there's 1, 2, and then there's another 2 on the other side. I'm gonna break those loose. Ideally, you could get in there with the impact for all of them, but these front ones, it's too tight. So you're gonna have to use a little bit of strength there to get these front ones out. All right, all the bolts are out. So time for the fun part, actually dropping it down. We'll see how this goes. So we'll see what it does. You probably could let it down slow. Just gonna bump the light, it'll be fine. Two. More? 4? I have a 14, which I have out, probably over there somewhere. These goddamn beetles are relentless. Alright, so get your hands on it. This won't just slip out of the way. Get out of here, goddamn moth. Get out of there. Well, you did. Where's the screwdriver? Alright, hold on to it. I think I've thin it. I think it's out of it. See, it won't twist because this like tunnel part. It's coming down now. This should not spin freely at all. It should take about 13 inch-pounds to spin this, and it'll just, this thing will just spin. This one specifically. So it's done. This would definitely have to be rebuilt, but we got this one.
Alright guys, that was the video of my son pulling out his diff out of his 85 Supra. I hope you guys enjoyed it. He did most of it by himself, and toward the end there when I got off of work, I stepped in to help him out, help him finish getting it out, but he did a really good job. And for whoever needs that video pulling out the diff, I hope this video helps you guys out. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.